Right now, somewhere in a factory, a robot is learning to fold your laundry. In another facility, a machine is practicing how to walk upstairs. And in a third location, a humanoid is being taught to recognize human emotions just by looking at your face. The uncanny valley is closing. Modern humanoid robots are crossing into territory that makes people deeply uncomfortable. They smile, they make eye contact, they gesture naturally while speaking. Some even breathe not because they need to, but because engineers program them to mimic human respiratory patterns to make us feel more at ease. The question is, should we be at ease? Boston Dynamics Atlas, from backflips to ballet. Remember when Boston Dynamics Atlas robot did a backflip in 2017 and the internet lost its mind? That was child's play. The latest version of Atlas moves with a fluidity that's genuinely unsettling. It can navigate complex terrain, manipulate objects with precision, and adjust its movements in real time based on environmental feedback. But here's what's truly remarkable. Atlas now uses AI-driven motion planning. It's not following pre-programmed routines anymore. It's making decisions on the fly, calculating thousands of micro-adjustments per second to maintain balance and complete tasks. Watch it move, and you'll notice something disturbing. It doesn't move like a machine anymore. It moves like an athlete. Tesla Optimus, from prototype to production. Elon Musk unveiled the first Optimus prototype in 2022, and it was underwhelming. A person in a robot suit danced on stage. The actual robot could barely walk. Fast forward to 2026, and Optimus robots are working in Tesla factories, sorting parts, moving inventory, and even performing quality control inspections. What changed? Everything. The latest Optimus Gen 3 features 28 degrees of freedom in its hands alone, more articulation than the human hand. It uses Tesla's full self-driving vision system, adapted for bipedal navigation, processing visual data at 36 frames per second. The company claims each unit costs roughly $20,000 to manufacture. That's less than a year's salary for a minimum wage worker. And unlike humans, Optimus doesn't need sleep, breaks, or benefits. Tesla plans to produce 1 million units by 2027. Let that sink in. Figure 01. The robot that works at BMW. Figure AI made headlines in 2024 when BMW announced it would deploy Figure 01 humanoid robots in its manufacturing facilities. These aren't experimental prototypes. They're production workers. Figure 01 stands 5'6" tall, weighs 130 pounds, and can lift 44 pounds continuously. It works 20-hour shifts. The remaining 4 hours are for charging and maintenance and doesn't complain about repetitive tasks. But what's genuinely impressive and terrifying is how it learns. Figure AI uses a technique called imitation learning. A human demonstrates a task once. The robot watches, processes the visual data through neural networks, and attempts to replicate the movement. Within hours, it masters tasks that would take human workers days to learn. BMW reports a 27% increase in production efficiency in facilities using Figure 01. 0 workplace injuries, 0 sick days, 0 union negotiations. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix, the robot with human-like hands. If there's one thing that's always separated humans from machines, it's our hands. The human hand is an engineering marvel: 27 bones, 34 muscles, and over 100 ligaments working in perfect coordination. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix robot has hands that rival human dexterity. Each finger contains multiple sensors that detect pressure, temperature, and texture. Phoenix can thread a needle, handle fragile electronics, and grip objects with varying levels of force. In demonstrations, Phoenix has folded laundry, assembled circuit boards, packaged delicate pastries, sorted pharmaceutical pills, all tasks that require the kind of fine motor control we thought only humans possessed. Sanctuary AI is partnering with retailers to deploy Phoenix in stockrooms and warehouses by late 2026. Imagine walking into a store where every employee is a robot that never forgets where inventory is located, never needs training, and works 24/7 without overtime pay. 1X Technologies Neo, the robot designed for your home. All the robots we've discussed so far are industrial. They're built for factories and warehouses. But 1X Technologies is building something different, a humanoid robot designed specifically for domestic use. Neo is smaller, lighter, and deliberately less intimidating than industrial humanoids. It stands 5'5" tall, weighs 66 pounds, and moves quietly on wheeled feet. For now, bipedal legs are coming in Gen 2. What can Neo do? According to 1X Technologies, light cleaning and organization, grocery delivery and unpacking on down, elder care assistance, medication reminders, fall detection, emergency calls, security monitoring, pet care. The company is currently conducting beta tests with 100 families. Commercial availability is expected in Q4 2026 with a price point around $35,000. That's expensive now. But remember, the first microwave oven cost $5,000 in 1995, equivalent to $50,000 today. Technology gets cheaper. The AI that powers them all. Here's what makes 2026 different from every other year in robotics. AI has caught up to hardware. For decades, we could build humanoid robots. The challenge was making them smart enough to be useful. That problem is solved. Modern humanoid robots use vision systems powered by transformer neural networks that can identify thousands of objects, understand spatial relationships, and predict human movement patterns. Natural language processing that allows them to understand complex commands, ask clarifying questions, and even engage in small talk. Reinforcement learning algorithms that let them improve at tasks through trial and error, getting better every single day without human intervention. Cloud connectivity that allows every robot to share learned experiences with every other robot in the network. One robot learns to open a door, every robot in the fleet instantly knows how. This is the terrifying part. They're not just working, they're learning, and they're getting smarter, faster than we expected. The ethical nightmare we're not discussing. Let's talk about what nobody wants to address. If a humanoid robot can do 70% of jobs currently performed by humans and it costs less than a year's salary, what happens to employment? New jobs will be created, optimists say. That's what happened during the Industrial Revolution. But here's the difference. The Industrial Revolution automated physical labor. The AI revolution is automating cognitive labor too. What jobs are left when machines can think and move like humans? And here's an even darker question. What happens when these robots become indistinguishable from humans? We're not there yet, but we're closer than you think. The Chinese wildcard. While American and European companies dominate headlines, Chinese robotics firms are moving faster than anyone anticipated. Unitree Robotics recently unveiled the H1, a humanoid robot that costs just $90,000, a fraction of competitors' prices. X-Robots showcased humanoids with facial expressions so realistic they triggered genuine emotional responses in test subjects. China's government has announced plans to mass-produce 10 million humanoid robots by 2030 as part of its New Quality Productive Forces initiative. If China achieves even half that target, it will fundamentally reshape global labor markets, manufacturing, and economic power structures. What happens next? We're at an inflection point. 2026 is the year. Humanoid robots transition from research, curiosities, to commercial products. By 2027, you might see them stocking shelves at Walmart. By 2028, they could be delivering packages to your door. By 2030, one might be caring for your elderly parent or cleaning your home while you're at work. The technology is ready. The question is, are we? Terrifying or transformative? The most human-like robots of 2026 are here. They walk like us, work like us, learn like us. And in some cases, they're already better than us at specific tasks. Is this terrifying? Absolutely. Is this unstoppable? Probably. The robots aren't coming. They're already here, working in factories, learning in labs, preparing to enter our homes, our hospitals, our daily lives. Whether this leads to a utopia of abundance, where machines handle all the dangerous, boring, and difficult work, or a dystopia of mass unemployment and social upheaval, depends entirely on the choices we make in the next few years. One thing is certain. The world of 2030 will look radically different from today. And the most human-like robots of 2026 are just the beginning. The question isn't whether robots will transform society. The question is whether we'll be ready when they do.